Hello, it's Thursday the 16th of February 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFX Markets. The US dollar strengthened versus most major currencies over disappointment with Fed Chairman Bernanke's remarks that there is no need for QE3 at the moment. The market closed negative as the Dow fell by 0.76% and the Nasdaq by 0.55%. Crude, however, rose by 1.10% after news that Iran intended to freeze supply, only to close at $101.80 a barrel when the Iranian government issued a denial. Gold rose by 0.4%, followed 4 days of decline and closed at $1,728 an ounce. The euro fell versus the greenback as Greek Finance Minister Venizelos accused some euro area nations of wanting Greece to leave the union. The euro-dollar's momentum is negative below 130.150, and as long as the pair is trading below this, the euro may continue to weaken. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 130.06 and a high of 131.90. Today, the ECB monthly report is expected. The pound closed unchanged versus the US dollar after the claimant count change came out 6.9 thousand versus 3.2 thousand previously, and the unemployment rate remained unchanged at 8.4%. The pound-dollar's momentum remains bearish below 157.70. Next support on the 4-hour chart is at 156.50, and breaking this level will probably cause the pound to decrease toward 156. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 156.62 and a high of 157.35. No major economic data is expected today. The yen closed unchanged against the dollar after it fell to a 3-month low versus the greenback after the central bank increased its asset purchase fund to 30 trillion yen, expanding economic stimulus measures for the first time since October. The dollar-yen's momentum is bullish as long as the pair is trading above 77.80. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 77.17 and a high of 78.65. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar slipped from its highest level in almost a week versus its US counterpart as bets that an aid package for Greece may be delayed until after it holds elections this year damped appetite for riskier assets. As long as the pair is trading below 100.40, the US dollar's momentum remains negative. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9937 and a high of 100.28. Today, manufacturing sales is expected to drop from 2% to 0.50%. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.